Okay guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to drive targeted free traffic to your affiliate offers. And you can apply this method even if you are absolute beginner. It is worldwide and you don't need any expensive softwares. All you have to do is just invest a bit of time and a bit of work, and that's it. And you can also use it not just to promote affiliate offers, you can also use it to promote your CPA affiliate offers. And this method works not just for Clickbank, it also works for Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and other affiliate networks. And also it is really important to watch entire video, to watch exact steps that I'm showing you. And I know that some of you will skip some parts of the video and then you will come back here, you will say it doesn't work. Well, actually it does work, but you didn't watch entire video. So please watch entire video. But before we begin, I created a new Facebook group. I will leave you a link down in the description so you can join that group and learn some new ways of making money online. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. In this video, I'm going to show you a niche that works very well with this method, but you can also use this method to promote products from other niches as well. I'm going to show you how to do a research so you can make as best as possible ad campaign. Don't worry, everything is free. Also, I'm going to show you how to make a simple one-page website totally free in just 5 minutes, and you can do this even if you are a beginner. And also I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate offers, and not just affiliate offers, but also to promote your blogs, your websites, and even to build your mailing list. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. And that niche should be something that you understand, because in that way you will know what kind of problems people have so you can offer them solution for their problems. So now when you have your niche, now you need to find products to promote. And I know that many of you will say, well, Clickbank doesn't work in my country. Can I apply this method on other affiliate networks, on Digistore24 or JVZoo, Warrior Plus or some other affiliate networks? And answer is yes, you can. You can use this method to promote products from other affiliate networks. But I personally like Clickbank, so I'm here on Clickbank Marketplace. By the way guys, if you find my videos useful, please give this video a like and also leave some kind of comment, and please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Like I said, I'm here on Clickbank Marketplace and I know that this method works very well on relationship niche. So I'll scroll here and I'm going to click on self-help. And I'm going to sort this by gravity. And also I'm going to scroll here and click must have affiliate tools page. And what you need to do, you need to go through these products, go through their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages, go on Google and do some research, read some reviews, and then based on those data, you will choose which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, his secret obsession. As you can see, I can make $55 per sale. Gravity is almost 170. I know this is a good product and I also know they have a good affiliate tools page. So I will open this in new tab just to see what kind of tools they are actually offering us. As you can see, they are offering us banners, sample emails, promotion links, custom reports, product reviews, hooks and angles. And these are all really useful tools, but we will come back to this page later and you will see why. So next thing we need to do, we need to go on Quora, and we will not use Quora to drive traffic, we will actually use Quora to do a research. Like I said, we are going to do a research. We need to see what kind of problems people have, what are the most often questions that people ask in our niche. Because we are talking about relationships, here in the search bar I am going to type relationship and then click here, and first results are groups or spaces as they call them, but I'm going to click here on questions because I need to see what kind of questions people are asking in relationship niche. As you can see here, what did you learn from your previous relationships? What was the best relationship advice you ever got? What are the best romantic relationship tips? What is the key for healthy relationship? This is a good question. What are some tips for long distance relationship? This is also a good question. Now these two questions here, I know that many people have problems with this. Now let me just check this healthy relationship question and I will open it in new tab. As you can see, 818 people is following this question and more than 100 answers. And like I said, many people have problem with healthy relationship, and that is why this question here has so much engagement. So let me just scroll through the answers just to check them out. Click here on more. Let's check this answer. Okay, it's not the best. Let me click here on more to check this one here. Okay, this is better, much better. I will click here more to check this one. Okay, this one is also good. So let me just close this and let me check this one here, long distance relationship. I will open it in new tab. And as you can see, 1,100 people is following this question and more than 100 answers on this question. So this question have more engagement than the previous one. So let me just scroll through the answers just to check them out. Click here on more. Okay, let me just check this one here. Okay, this is useful. Okay, this one. Okay, this is actually really useful. This answer is really useful. And you can even use this answer to rewrite it and write a new article. But like I said, you cannot copy this answer here, but you can rewrite this answer. So this is the right sub-niche for us, long distance relationships. Many people have problems with that. So now we need to offer them a solution. So now we need to go back on affiliate tools page and we need to click here articles and landers and then click article landing pages. And then we need to scroll here and we need to click here start the article download and you will download the zipped file, so you need to extract that file. I already did that and they will literally give you hundreds of articles, royalty free, copyright free articles that you can use to promote their products. Because our sub niche is long distance relationships, I will click here and open this folder here, relationships, and now I need to find article that is related to long distance relationships. So let me just find the L. Let me just scroll through this to the letter L. Okay, okay. So long distance relationships and long distance relationships, do they work? So I will actually open this one here. As you can see, all of these articles are in Notepad. Here you can see some basic informations, title, word count, summary, keywords, and the article. So now when I have this article, what I need to do next is I need to go on Google Sites. Google Sites is free, and if you have Gmail, you have Google Sites. And I need to click here on blank to create a simple one-page website. So first thing I need to do, I need to add my header image. And to find royalty-free photos, I am going to use a website called Unsplash. And here in search bar, I will simply type relationship and click search. And Unsplash will give you royalty-free photos that you can use any way you want. And they will give you literally thousands and thousands of photos that you can use. So let me just scroll through these photos to see which of these photos is actually best for my one-page website. Okay, let's say this one here, for example, happily ever after. So click on it and then click here on download free. Okay, download is completed, so now I need to go back on Google Sites and I need to click here on change image and then click here upload and find the photo that you downloaded from Unsplash in this case, but you can use Pixabay or Pexels if you want. So let me just find photo. Okay, this is the photo, double click. Give it a few seconds to upload the photo. And as you can see, it uploaded photo in my header. So now I need to add title to my one-page website. So I will go back on this article here that I downloaded from their affiliate tools page. And this is the title, and Control C and go back here. And I will delete this and paste this, long distance relationships. And I will actually make this bold. So let me just highlight and click bold. And I will also change the color of this text to make it more visible. So I will highlight this and then click on this A. And let's say red, for example. Okay, now it's red. It's not the best color. You will do this much better than I'm doing right now. I am doing this just to show you how this works. You will obviously invest more time and more work in this. So now we actually need to add a body of our website. So what we need to do now is we need to go back on affiliate tools page and we need to scroll here and we need to click here on image and video ads. Click on it and then click on video ads. And we need to use one of these videos that they're actually provided for us. And here you can see some video rules. These are basic rules. So basically they are telling you that you can use these videos only to promote their own product. You cannot use these videos to promote somebody else's products. So let's say I wish to use this one here, True Love Loophole, music and voice. Click on it, and here you can see that you have actually two options, and click here download zipped videos, and you need to upload these videos on your YouTube channel or Vimeo or some other video hosting website. Now I already did that. I actually uploaded this video here, so I will go here and I will just copy URL of this video, Control C, and I need to go back on Google Sites and I need to scroll here and click on YouTube, and then paste my URL here and click search, and this is the video. Click on it and then click select, and as you can see, it automatically added the video. So I will actually make this video center, let's say here for example. Okay, more here, more. Okay, now it's on center, and now I actually need to add my article. So double click here and then click on this TT for text. Click here, and now I need to go here on my notepad article that they actually provided for me. This is the summary, so this is basically a text intro. So I will copy this, copy, go back here and paste it here, and I will add space, and I will actually copy rest of this article. As you can see here, article body. So I will copy this, Control C, go back here and paste my article here. And you can also add more photos. Just go back on Unsplash and download more royalty-free photos. And on 2 or 3 places here, you need to add your affiliate link in this article. So let's say I wish to add my link here. So just highlight this and then click on this little chain and paste your affiliate link here. Clickbank affiliate link, Digistore24 affiliate link, JVZoo affiliate link, or whatever you want. And on the bottom, what I would do, I would just press enter, and here you can say something like the missing secret ingredient to committed love that never fades. So I will actually highlight this and I will make it bold, and also I will enlarge this text. Let's say 30 for example. I will make it even larger. Let me just say 36. And also click here on this little chain and add your affiliate link on this text here, the missing secret ingredient to committed love that never fades. Of course, this is for this example. For some other niche, you will use different text. As you can see, everything must be connected. Your sub-niche, your one-page website, your articles, everything must be connected. In this case, everything must be about long-distance relationship. Of course, if you are in different niche, everything must be connected with that niche. Your one-page website, your sub-niche, your articles, everything. After you finish everything and you're satisfied how your website looks, just click here on Publish. And now you need to add a web address to your one-page website. Just let's say something like long-distance relationships. Okay, this is not available, so I will just add numbers. Let's say 12. Okay, this is available. So I will click here on Publish. Give it a few seconds. And it's published now. So now I need a link to this one-page website. To do that, just click here on this little link. Click on it. And this is the link to my one-page website, to my Google site. So now we need to promote this simple one-page website that contains our affiliate links. To do that, we are going to use forums. Forums are really efficient when it comes to promotion. To find forums in your niche, simply go on Google and here in search bar just type forum and your main keyword, in this case relationship, and click search. And Google will give you a list of forums in your niche, as you can see here. And let's say I wish to use this one here, the first result. I will click on it. And when we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that this website is getting 10 million visits every month. And when we scroll here, we will see that more than 90% of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. And when we go back on the forum and scroll on the bottom, we will see more data about this forum. As you can see, 58 million posts, and they have 2,365,000 members. And this is actually general topic forum, so we need to find relationship category. So let me just scroll through this. Okay, relationships. Click here on relationships to open this category. And as you can see, this category is getting lots of traffic. Look at this, 62,000 people viewed this thread here. 2,200 people, 2,500, 13,000 people saw this thread here. As you can see, many people have questions, and what you need to do, you need to answer on their questions, you need to provide value, you need to try to really help these people with your answers. And actually, best way to drive traffic is to start a new thread. To do that, click here on new thread. Now, when you are starting a new thread, you must write a high quality article. Now, these guys from His Secret Obsession, they already provided us with high quality articles, but if the product that you are promoting didn't provide you high quality article, then you must write high quality article or pay someone to write you a high quality article. So now I will actually open this article here. Long distance relationships, do they work? So I will copy title, copy this, and go back on city data forum and paste my title here. As you can see, long distance relationships, do they work? And I will copy summary here, copy again, go back here on city data forum, paste it here, and I will copy rest of the article. Highlight, Control C, and paste rest of the article. And then I will press enter, and I will say something like this. Click here to read more about long distance relationships. And I will go back on my Google site, and I will copy this link, and I will paste that link here. And when you are satisfied how your article looks, just go here and click submit a new thread. And you can also click here preview post just to see how it looks before you publish that post. As you can see here, this is a URL. As you can see, they automatically added a link. And when I click here on post, let me just click submit new thread. And this is how my article looks. Now, the reason we used Google Sites is because many of these forums actually do not allow direct affiliate links. And that is why we have to use bridge pages. Now, if you can use Builderall, ClickFunnels, or some other web-based software, that would be the great. But I'm guessing that many of you don't have money to pay for those softwares, and that is why I showed you, and that is why I used Google Sites. Google Sites is good enough replacement for those softwares. And as we saw, many of these threads are getting thousands and thousands of views. And that means that you can potentially send thousands and thousands of highly targeted visitors to your Google site. And some of those visitors will actually buy your affiliate product. And you can also use different forums to build your mailing list. And if your thread has interesting topic and interesting title, your thread will get lots of engagement and you will potentially send thousands and thousands of people to your Google site. And you should do this not just on one forum, you should do this on as much as you can, different forums in your niche, and on each forum. Now this is important, on each forum you must publish different articles. You cannot use same article to publish on multiple forums. You must write different articles and publish them on different forums. So this is how you use forums to drive targeted free traffic to your affiliate offers, even if you are a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.